birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then yun na, para safe tayong lahat sa COVID-19. Happy birthday! Kahit ganito yung nangyayari ngayon, I wish you celebrate your birthday in a nice, meaningful way, and I hope you have fun. God bless you!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day!
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Ethel. I hope you enjoy this day with your family. And I'm so happy that I was able to get to know you. Sobrang bait mo, sobrang na-appreciate kita and ng family ko. Sana you will celebrate more birthdays, and I hope and I wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Ethel! Happy birthday! Thank you for existing, for being a friend to mommy, and then a friend to me, a friend to my family. Know that your intelligence, passion, strength, courage, they're all admired. So, cheers to more travel and to exploring healthy stuff, healthy, boring, not so yummy stuff together. Thank you. Happy birthday again, and regards to everyone.
Happy birthday, Ethel. Happy birthday, Ethel. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ethel. I wish you all the best. As always, my friend. Lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako. No distance is enough para magbago yung friendship natin. I'm still the same, and I know ganun ka rin. Lagi kong naalala yung mga memories natin together. Isa yun sa mga highlights ng aking college life, and you really play a major part of it. So, I will never forget you. We will be friends forever. Kahit hindi tayo nagkikita ng madalas. I'm looking forward sa pagkikita natin sa school break ng mga bata. We've talked about this the last time na nagkita tayo sa MOA. So, I'm looking forward to that. I want to spend more time with you. Makipagkwentuhan hanggang umaga, just like back in college days. So, today, Ethel, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na I love you. You are a friend na, alam mo yung, you are a friend, madami ka talaga matututunan. Alam mo yun, you are strong. Always remember that. Ikaw yung talagang masasabing isa sa mga alpha female. You are a very strong woman. Lagi mong tandaan yan. Walang basta-basta makakatibag sa isang Ethel. Okay? Lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang kami. Kasi no matter how strong you are, if you still need a friend, andito ako. Okay? I love you, my friend. Hope to see you really soon.
Hello Ethel, happy birthday! What more could I ask for a woman who was so blessed having a loving husband and children. Thank you sa husband mo na nag-effort talaga to reach out just to make your birthday a special one. So happy kami na naging parte kami ng buhay mo. No guilt feelings because I know it's God's will to give you not only the better one but the best one. So at this moment, from Villa Gomez family, wishing you a happy birthday. Stay sweet, humble, and loving person. Miss you.
Hi, Ethel, Nuwal, Canopida, Tupas. Hi, Ne. Happy birthday. Though hindi tayo palagi nakikita, but the genuine friendship is always present. Okay, so I love you so much. Take care of yourself. Long life. Okay, and then see you soonest. I miss you. Happy birthday. Mwah. Love you.
Hello, Tel. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. May pa-surprise si Dave. Oh.
Happy birthday, Tel. Enjoy sa birthday mo. Inutusan kami ni na i-surprise ka. Kahit naiyak kami. Bye-bye.
Sige na, mag-stop.
Oh, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Hello, Insan. Happy birthday to you. Hope you will stay healthy, good health, stay beautiful. Happy birthday to you. Good health. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Salamat sa lahat ng pagtulong sa amin. Kahit anong hingi namin tulong sa iyo, nandiyan ka. Happy birthday to you. Bye.
Yeah, happy birthday, Tel. Best regards, all the best.
Go.
Hello, Ethel! Happy birthday! We love you! Stay sweet, kind, generous as well, and God bless! Thank you for being our manager, diba? In our travel. Okay, see you on March 29, and let's have fun!
Happiest birthday po, Auntie Ethel. So, may your day po filled with love, laughter, and joy to those all around you po. I am forever grateful sa kindness na imuhang na-share. So, may this year bring you happiness, good health, and as well as all the things you deserve po. So, stay safe po kayo dyan. Happy birthday!
Sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na nagkaroon ako ng kapatid na katulad mo, na ginamit ng Panginoon para magampanan mo paano bumangon sa kahirapan sa buhay. Proud ako sa iyo na nang dahil sa iyo, pinagsisikapan mo hindi lang sa pansarili mong pangarap, kundi sa buong mong pamilya. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo na kung hindi dahil sa iyo, wala din kami sa katayuan namin ngayon. Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at more blessings pa ang dumating sa pamilya mo. I'm proud of you. Happy birthday to you, my dear sister. I love you and God bless you.
Hi, Auntie Ethel. Happy birthday. Simpleng pagbati lang mula sa akin. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Panatilihin mong healthy yung katawan mo, sarili mo. At panatilihin maganda ka pa rin. Parang hindi na tumatanda. At salamat sa pagiging mabuting tita mo mula pa nung umpisa hanggang ngayon. Kahit na may sarili ka ng pamilya, diyan ka pa rin. Kaya believe talaga ako sa'yo. Salamat sa lahat, Ante. At yun lang. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to my dearest auntie. Wish ko sana maging happy ka palagi. Sana yung yung pangarap mo sa buhay, yung mga gusto mong gawin, makamit mo. your happiness is also our happiness. Thank you sa lahat ng mga advices mo. Thank you for being an inspiration sa akin. Sa suporta and guidance. And I love you so much. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka. I love you.
So, happy birthday, Te. Enjoy your day. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyo sa lahat ng sakripisyo at pag-aalaga, pagpapaaral sa akin, sa aming magkakapatid, sa pagtulong sa family natin, hindi lang sa amin, kundi sa family natin. Thankful ako na ikaw ang naglibita ko. Thankful ako na dumaan ako sa inyo. Lalo na ngayon, na-teacher na ako, lahat ng mga advices mo rin sa akin noon. Nag-share ko na rin sa mga students ko. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ka namin magkakapatid. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Hello Ate Ethel, happy birthday. I just wish the best for you. Thank you for all the efforts, the sacrifices, the genuine things that you've done for our family, the Tumnos family. Diba na? Nag-transcend pa sa parents namin, sa mga tito-tita namin, and of course, kay Kuya Sean at sa mga pinsan namin sa Tupas. Thank you very much, Ate Ethel. God bless you, and I know how good of a mom and good of a wife you are, and of course a cousin. Thank you for everything, Ate Ethel. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to my inaanak, Ethel C. Tupas. May you have more birthdays to come, more blessings. Take care always. Tuto Shandave and the kids, I love you all.
Hi Tel, happy birthday. I wish you the happiest birthday, and I hope God will bless you more. And itong pwede kong i-share. Okay, si Ethel is one of the kasi ngayon Women's Month, siya yung isa sa mga hinhangaan kong babae, napaka-strong, napaka-responsible. Well, nakita ko at na-observe ko siya, naisip ko minsan na how she's able to juggle from the work and for being a mother. And she's doing well for both. Kaya talagang nakakatuwa siya. And then, very helpful. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung time na she offered herself, nasamahan ako sa pag-aasikaso nung wake nung husband ko. Hindi ko makakalimutan yon. And then, siya yung tipong pagka merong nangangailangan or nakita niyang kailangan yung tulong niya, activated agad siya. She's willing to offer not only her time, but pati puso niya. Okay? She will stay with you and makikinig siya sa'yo. And siya din yung taong ang dami niyang pwedeng i-share sa'yo. Punong-puno ng wisdom. Yung ganon. So, ito isa sa pinaka matapang na babae, tawag nito, masipag na nanay, mabuting may bahay. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana ay pagpalain ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay at good health para din sa pamilya mo. Okay, happiest birthday uli, Ethel, and God bless you more. Love you.
So, hi Ate Ethel. So, it's currently 11:35 p.m. na ng gabi ng March 14th, and I'm editing this birthday video greetings to you. And happy birthday, Ate Ethel. Thank you for your kindness, very accommodating mo sobra. You give the best advices. And thank you for being you. Kasi pinakita mo talaga sa amin yung authentic self mo. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa ang tawag dito, sa surprise birthday party mo na hinanda ni Kuya. And I hope na ma-appreciate mo tong video na naginawa ko. So, happy birthday ulit, ate.
Hello, Ate Ethel. Unang-una sa lahat, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life, good health, happiness, and more success in everything you do. Thank you for all the help na binigay mo sa family. Although hindi kami related sa iyo by blood, pero tinutulungan mo kami. And we truly appreciate it. And also, thank you for being a supportive and loving wife to my brother. And I just hope that you spend your special day with the most important people in your life. And ingat and enjoy sa Japan trip niyo. Sana all.
Hi ma, happy birthday. At sometimes kahit nag-aaway tayo, I still love you. I try my best to be a better person for you. I try to help, or to be not the burden, to not be a burden. And I wish you a good fortune, happy family, a happy life, a healthy life, and I wish you everything. Okay. I wish every dream you ever wanted would come true. I wish life would go, and I wish life would be on your side. God would be on your side. I wish God would lead you to the right path. And I love you. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. I wish you all the best. So sorry kung lagi akong pasaway sa'yo and makulit. Tsaka di din ako sumusunod agad. I hope na sana hindi ka tumanda kasi hindi namin kaya mabuhay nang wala ka. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sacrifices mo para sa amin. We really appreciate it. Lahat ng ginawa mo nung bata pa kami hanggang ngayon, hindi pa din nagbabago. You are the breadwinner sa amin and sa family mo. So, ayun na, Mama. Happy birthday! I love you! Nakalimutan ko din sabihin mo. You're the best mom ever.
Mommy, happy birthday. Wish you the best. Thank you for everything you give me. And you're always by my side. Take care. And happy birthday. Wish you be healthy. And when you get older, I'll always take care of you. You're always by my side. I love you no matter what. Make sure God is always beside you. Love you.
Hello everyone, happy birthday, Tel. I hope na enjoy ka sa surprise, simple dinner with your family and your close friends. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Thank you for being mother to my children and also for being my best buddy. I know marami akong kasalanan sa iyo and salamat sa pagmamahal. I love you. Enjoy your day and see you around. Happy birthday. Love you.